Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on the Profit Retriever Expert Advisor or Forex robot. Um, I've been trading live now for more than 100 days, and I just want to show you my results so far. This is the sales page of the Profit Retriever. Um, you can read all about how it works here. And you can see some of the settings, that the default settings it comes out with. But there's a lot of options that you can or changes you can make to this profit retriever properties. Here's some videos that will also help you to introduce you to how the profit retriever works. And then the sales links are right at the bottom here. These guys have been making robots for a very long time. They've got expert support. There's also a forum and a paid forum where you also can get help from other users and also see their results and settings. Um, um, Expert Forex also provides set files of previous success settings. Yeah, you can download it for free if you pay for a member. If you buy it outright, it's 450, or if you pay with crypto, it's 300. Existing clients, it's 225. These YouTube subscribers also get a discount. If you're a premium forum member, you only pay 180. So I recommend join the forum here and then subscribe at least for 1 month and then buy the expert advisor for 180. You'll also find that there's a lot of benefits with the paid forum. These free courses, um, these free set files, and a very active community where the guys support each other. But let me show you my results so far. Of course, this is an update. If you want future updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you'll get notified of future updates. I'm using a cent account. I started with a $25, a 25 no, $250 cent account. They changed FBS brokers. I'll put my link in the description below. They've got cent accounts. They changed that to $25,000, and then they gave me another $25 bonus, and I've ramped up that to 179,000 so far. So um, that's about $1,800 that I've increased the 250 I started with. Um, so here you can see the percentage. You can see it's a real account. Here's the percentage growth so far, 242 percent. It's actually much more than that because they use the deposit as well. But the deposit doesn't count as your margin. So I don't recommend you count the 25,000 that you get for free with a bonus sign up, um, because when you've got a big drawdown, they will ignore that. It will not be part of your drawdown. And with a profit retriever, it can go in big drawdowns. I'll just show you my experiences last week, especially on Friday. Um, so yes, this is a real account, and I'll put this link to my FX Blue in the description below. You get loads of stats from here. You just click on stats, and you can also download the Excel. You can download every single trade I made so far over the last 100 days. Yeah, I don't know if you saw the days that I've been trading. Yeah, 106 days. Okay. So yes, what I wanted to show you on my trading this week, I had a big drawdown in US dollar JAP and also um, Aussie US dollar. The Aussie US dollar, I'm still in a big drawdown of 18,000, um, but not all the 18 is. The most of it is from the Aussie. But look at this drawdown here, and that's why you need a big account. My drawdown went as low as um, $80,000 on Friday. That included all my EAs. I'm running 6 EAs at the moment on $170 account, also $180 account. Um, so my rule of thumb is 1 EA per $20,000, but even that is risky. But yeah, in the beginning you can trade like that, and then as your account grows bigger, like mine, you can use less. So I'm only running 6 EAs at the moment on this 180. So um, what is that? I don't have a calculator with me now, but it's yeah. So because I'm getting my return on investment is 240% so far, I don't need to take extra risk because I don't want to blow the account, and there's no need to take big risk. This was an unexpected big drawdown this week, and this is, but look at that, it was 28. I think it was 28 positions that was open. And yeah, it went lower and lower. And as it opened up more positions, the break even or the profit line, that red line there, just goes lower and lower. Then there was a retracement, and I cashed in, and the profit retriever decided to move from buys to sells, and it was the right thing to do. And look at all these. So with that first retracement, I made $451. Then it went down because it was trading in the right direction. It made 133, 155. I've set it to 20 pips. So every 20 pips, it opens up a new position and cashes in. And then, yeah, as soon as it starts trading in the wrong direction, it will open up every 20 pips. It will open up a new position until it retraces and cashes in. So that's just a quick explanation how the profit retriever works. Um, so ideally, you want to start your profit retriever in the right direction to give you that advantage that you can ramp up all those incomes and then or profits, and then if there's a start trading in the wrong direction, so that you've got enough margin. So if it trades in the wrong direction, you can open up the positions until there's a retracement and cashes in like it did here. But I want to show you my drawdown on Aussie, and this one has been a little bit of a pain, but you've got to be patient. So luckily, I've got 5 other EAs still making money. This one's been trading since I think the 15th of July. So it's been trading for 2 weeks. I've been waiting for this, and if this is your only EA that you've got, then you've got to be very patient and not rush it. Or I can close this anytime, but then I'm going to realize a big loss. You can't see it then. Oh yeah, I'm on minus 16,714 here. It states there as well, but there's a lot of written on there, so you can't see it. So I've really got 15 positions open here, so it's opening up every 22 pips. I've set this one. It will open up a new position until the chart comes back to this yellow, red or pink line here. If it goes if it starts tonight, this is Sunday. I'm making this video on Sunday, the 31st. If this goes even higher, and I expect it might, because there's some resistance up here, so it will open up maybe 2 more positions, but this line will go up as it increases the positions, and then that will make the retracement less to recover all these positions. So I'll be watching this very closely this week. My other ones are the pound, New Zealand dollar. That's been going nicely. You can also see it started trading in the wrong direction, but then it came back and cashed in here for $220. Here's the Aussie, New Zealand dollar. This is a very stable one. I highly recommend if you want to start conservative, open up with this one. Here you can see I've also got six positions currently open here at the drawdown of 1,100. But yeah, you can see it almost reached the line, but then it retraced. So hopefully this week it will go up again. Then the euro US dollar, that's also been going well. There's only one position open and it's positive by $74. So when it opens, the market's open, it looks like it will still go in that direction. We'll cash in as soon as it reaches that position there, and then it should be $150 plus minus. And then I've got the euro Aussie. That one also was trading in the wrong direction on Friday, but then there was a retracement and it cashed in and made $234 profit. So yeah, you've got to play around with the settings. There's two phases. You can increase the lots and then increase it again in the second phase, or you can decrease it the first phase and decrease the second phase, or you can combine it, make it an increase and then decrease, or decrease then increase. You've got to play around with strategy tester and see what works for you. But I also made a spreadsheet for myself. I just want to see if I've got it close by. Yeah, so here's one strategy where I start with 0.5 lots. I increase it by 120% up to one lot, and then it only increases by 103% with a gap of 20. And then at 31 lots, I'll at position 31, which is about 620 pips. If there's a big trend, that will bring it to 44 lots, which is quite a lot. But here's a more conservative. Although I start off with one lot, I decrease it with 85% up to 0.5 lots, and then increase it by 103%, gap of 20. That will only have a total at as soon as if there's a trend and it goes to 31 positions, it will or 620 pips. It will only open up 20 lots. So this is a much more conservative. After that trade on Friday, I've changed my strategy to this one. I think I recommend this settings also for more aggressive currency pairs. With the more slower currency pairs, I'll go more aggressive and make the increase. So, but you've got to test it on the strategy tester. But yeah, if you join with my links, obviously I will help you get started. I think the profit retriever is the best way to get started in forex trading. If you're a seasoned forex trader, I'll also recommend you check out the profit retriever. It's really you can sleep at night while this trades for you 24/5 in the week. You can also set up, obviously, you can also set up with Bitcoin if your broker allows it, or indices or gold and silver. But I haven't. That's more advanced. I haven't tested that enough to go live with those. So I'm still on the forex part. But yes, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed my update. And yeah, I'm so far very impressed with the profit retriever, because at 240% in 100 days, that's more than my goal of 8% per month or 100% per year. Because you can achieve most of your goals, financial goals, if you earn 100% per year. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'll put all the links to the info that I shared with you here in the description below. If this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want future updates on the profit retriever. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.